अभी फादर सन ट्रिप शुरू हो चुका है। मैं और आरो निकल गए हैं। क्या कर रहे हो?
मैं खेल रहा हूँ और खाना खा रहा हूँ।
तो अभी फादर सन ट्रिप शुरू हो चुका है। मैं और आरो निकल गए हैं। Okay, so we have packed our bags. This is what we have packed. This is going to be a father-son road trip for 3 days and mainly into the forests. और अभी डांग में कहीं पे रुकेंगे और 2 दिन हम पूरा फॉरेस्ट का मज़ा लेंगे। देखो आरो क्या कर रहा है, गाड़ी में खेल रहा है और खाना खा रहा है। आरो क्या कर रहे हो?
मैं खेल रहा हूँ और खाना खा रहा हूँ।
क्या खा रहे हो?
पूरी और जूस।
Good. We are crossing Narmada River on our way to Rajpipla. Look at the beautiful sky and river this side. And so we are crossing this bridge. After crossing Narmada, we ordered this boiled corn. Aro wants to eat this corn. So Aro, garam છે જો. Okay? ધ્યાનથી ખાજે. We are turning our corn into butter corn. Butter we have brought from home. And now I am just applying it on this hot steamed corn. શું ખાય છે આરો?
કોણ?
કેવો છે?
બહુ મસ્ત.
આપણે શું કરવા જઈએ છીએ?
આપણે જંગલમાં ફરવા.
બધું બતાવી દે વિડીયો.
So here is cube. This is my toys. And here is cube. Baby elephant, minion, bug, dog.
પછી પાછળ બતાવી દે.
Tiger, bear, rabbit, zebra, unicorn, and last one white tiger. Now I am writing a diary, and this is my juice. So bye guys.
मैं और आरो निकले हैं रोड ट्रिप पे। ऑलमोस्ट 3 घंटे हो चुके हैं। हमने खाना वाना भी खा लिया गाड़ी में। आरो ने खेलने के बाद खाना खाया और अभी सोने की तैयारियों में है। अपने सॉफ्ट टॉयज को कडल करके सो रहा है। अभी राजपीपला जा रहे हैं। डभोई क्रॉस कर दिया है। हमने शुरू किया था कुछ 12 साढ़े 12 बजे अहमदाबाद से और यहाँ पे 7:45 we have reached. The roads were good. We specifically chose the road that's not the national highway. We came via Rajpipla, Netrang, Vyara. It was a longer and a more time-taking route. But that was a conscious decision we made because we wanted to explore and see the natural beauty on our way. So finally we have reached after almost 8 hours drive. Now 10 more minutes to reach our accommodation. So Aro had a good sleep in the car. He slept for 2 hours and now see he's relishing his dal tadka without mirchi and jeera rice on his own. Now we are going towards river. Good morning, Padam Dungri. We heard this beautiful sound of river throughout the night from our room. Now we are going to see this river. This is our trusty car, Honda Amaze, that brought us to this remote places through a lot of ups and downs, bumpy roads, broken roads. So we will be driving almost 4 hours today, but in between there will be a lot of breaks. We took a good breakfast, or rather brunch, at Hotel Sahyog. It's very good hotel on the highway, and I highly recommend for food and also for stay. I assume the rooms must be good. We didn't get the room, it was full, and so we'll figure out where to stay today, but this is the idea.
I will show you.
So finally we have reached Gira waterfall, famous falls in Dang district. Aro is enjoying the view. This is about 40 kilometers from Saputara, the only and most famous hill station of Gujarat. So now we will be heading towards Saputara. Aro is enjoying his view, and this waterfall site has developed very well over the last few years. As we see, there is a nice place to sit peacefully. Aro, what are you buying?
Bow and arrow.
So?
Bow and arrow.
શું કર્યું છે એનાથી?
Archer.
Oh. Bye. So हमने रास्ते में एक झरना देखा, छोटा सा वाटर स्ट्रीम, and we just stopped. We stopped, climbed up to see it, experience it. Oh, fish. आरो ने अंदर फिश भी ढूंढ ली. So we came here to experience it and look how beautiful it is. It's so small and cute and definitely very beautiful. See, natural water stream, something very rare for these days, urban kids. Aro is exploring on his own. So where are you going?
Above the clouds.
Okay. Okay, so we spontaneously thought of going on a hill. Let's see how far it is and how difficult it is. We saw some people going there. We're just trying to find the way and see if we can go there. Let's see. So here is my little trekker on his way. He wants to go. He is determined to go, and I am just helping him. Let's see how far we can go. And he's also leading the paths. Look at him. जो आवाज આરો શું થયું?
ક્લાઉડ જઈ ગયા.
અને ક્યાં? આરોની ઉપર છે કે નીચે?
ઉપર.
આરોની ઉપર?
અરે નીચે.
ઓ, આરો એટલું બધું ક્લાઇમ્બ કરીને આવી ગયો?
હા.
વેરી નાઇસ આરો.
થેન્ક યુ. આપણે નીચે જઈએ ક્લાઉડને ટચ કરવા.
आई गया तने टच करे જ છે ક્લાઉડ્સ.
अच्छा આ ક્લાઉડ છે.
हाँ डोंट मूव बेटा બેસી જા इट्स नॉट सेफ.
We are with clouds and I am enjoying so much. Now we are going downstairs. Let's go.
Wait. Slowly, Aro. Stop. I'm coming. Okay, so we reached the peak, not exactly at the peak, but closer to the peak, and then we stopped. Aro had a break, and there was a beautiful surprise of clouds covering us and the mountain. We saw clouds going on, moving. The clouds were covering mountain peaks. We saw that live and it was just amazing. That is exactly what Aro wanted to see when we left, and he could actually see and enjoy. Now we are just going downhill. There are a lot of small loose rocks, so now it is going to be even more challenging. So finally, after going all the way up there, this is a small break, mandatory break for Nimbu Pani. Aro bhai is going to have some Nimbu Pani. है ना? So today we did two things from our bucket list of the trip. Aro wanted to do a trek. So we did a trek on this mountain where you can see tiny little people walking around here. We went all the way to the peak, which is covered by clouds right now. And then we also were above the clouds. That is what Aro wanted to see. So he experienced that. And now look at Aro, how he is enjoying his Maggie. Maggie with the view of whole city of Saputara. Good morning, friends. So it is third day of our father son trip. We stayed here at Sai Leela Bungalow in Saputara. So now after this wonderful stay here in Saputara, we are leaving and heading towards Nashik. So this is our first stop. We have stopped here. Aro, for breakfast, and as soon as we are done with the breakfast, we'll head to Nashik.
So now our car is punctured. And Dad is repairing the car, helping my dad. So now he opened the spare wheel and he put this guard.
See, now we are removing the
Now we are removing the spare wheel. Here is the spare wheel.
चल गाड़ी ऊंची करो.
Here is the jack.
So Aro is helping me create the blog as well as we are fixing the wheel. So it looks like we hit some big crater on the road that caused my wheel to go flat, and I have the compressor. It could not inflate the tire, so it appears it is just a tire burst. I may have to get the tire replaced. Not an issue. We are anyways going to Nasik. It will be very quick task to get it done.
And challenging.
Not at all challenging. Fun. So this is how you open the wheel, Aro. It's very tight. Oh.
The car is moving.
See, the wheel is now open. Aro, are you shooting?
Yes.
Wow. Hi. So finally we have reached Nasik and getting the car tire replaced. As expected, there was a problem, damage. Getting new tire, Yokohama, brand new. And as you can see, who has joined us, Aro got a company of Tatwam. Hi. Sudol and Kuldeep and Tatwam joined us here in Nasik. Now we will head to our hotel. Okay, we have reached Soma Vineyards. This is our room. See Tatwam's push bike and all almost set. Kids are starting their food. It's a pool view room and there is a winery ahead of this. So it has been a great 3 days. Last 2 days we spent almost raw in forest and lot of travel and jungle and uncertainty. Now we are in Soma Wine Village run by Regenta in Nasik. A beautiful property. Kids got super happy because we are joined by my sister Jaiti and Kuldeep and their little one Tatwam. So Aro and Tatwam got along, played a lot. It's good Raksha Bandhan reunion.
See you soon. Yay! High five. High five. Yay!
बाय कर दो आरो.
Bye. Bye.
So we are leaving Nasik, Soma Vineyard. Aro said goodbye to his cousin and he's not liking it, but that's emotions. Here Aro is enjoying his apple. We are on the middle of the road headed back home. It has been a difficult start, a bit emotional one, but it is good. As we are heading back home, and this trip is coming to an end in next couple of hours, there is a lot that we saw and experienced during our 4 days. You know, when we started, it was just a thought, and we thought, Aro, let's go. And he was also super excited. Let's go, Daddy. We'll have fun. We'll go on a drive, long drive. But the most interesting part is, he also adopted the situation, started liking, the company, and that was something not very expected from a 7 years old who is usually pampered and been taken care by mother and grandmother, grandparents, and the life at home is very different. We are super excited now. The trip is coming to an end. It was complete package of a lot of emotions, adventure, thrill. We also had a breakdown, and Aro supported throughout. It's so much fun to be with him on this trip. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family members. I'm sure they'll like it. See you.